Hi, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in again. Today is a great day. We're going to do an unboxing of the SoundSkins Pro and the SoundSkins door rings too. So big shout outs to SoundSkins for sending me these to test, well not test, but to put them on the Land Cruiser. Obviously we do go on road trips, we do some trailing, and we do some stuff like that. So a lot of the stuff on these older vehicles tend to rattle, and with the sound deadening SoundSkins, it's going to help us keep the interior sound in and the exterior sound out. So looking forward to that. We are going to do the unboxing, then we're going to go ahead and do an installation. I'm going to go ahead and order probably some upgraded speakers. Right now we're still utilizing the factory head unit and the factory speakers, which is working perfectly fine. So we're going to go ahead and just focus right now on the unboxing. So sit back, relax, and make sure to hit a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's unbox these. So you got 4 tubes. So this actually, each tube is enough to cover each door. So there's 4 doors on this vehicle. So they went ahead and sent us a package of 4 SoundSkins Pro packaging. As you guys know, I'm really big on packaging, branding, and all that stuff. And I think just first and foremost, just overlooking at the quality of the packaging and also the branding, yeah, I just like the way it's packaged and it's delivered. So pretty cool. And also even more logos on the front and on the back. Also it gives you kind of a quick rundown of what's in the package. So it tells you the thickness, the weight, the material, the adhesive, the size, and the coverage. So this is 1 square meter of coverage. So let's open this up. Like I said, this is pretty cool. I like the way, I mean, I'm not sure. It's been a long time since I've been in the car audio or car audio world, but I really love the way it's in the tube. Let's get you a little closer. What kind of gives you, comes obviously wrapped. Let's open it up and put you guys closer. Obviously, always be careful when you take any kind of tape off. Again, more dope branding on here with their website. As you guys can see, here's the foam on top. Actually, it's pretty flexible. So I think one of the issues that I had before when I used to be in the audio industry is that other products were really tough to work with, just because they didn't have a foam. It was more of a mainly material, and this has, like I said, it has 3 different layers. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a, kind of see it a little bit right there. There is a foil. So they have the adhesive, they have the foil, and then they have the foam. And again, this is super flexible, and again, more great branding on the rubber side. So, you know, oh, that one fell over. Put this in here. So more branding on this side, and just the texture, you could feel the foam. So obviously this is going to be very, very helpful on the trails, because a lot of stuff, like I mentioned, rattles and shakes and stuff like that when we're on the trails. So this is going to be keeping our interior very quiet from the doors, and also keeping all the exterior sound out. But not only that, but like I said, once we go ahead and do upgrade our system, our audio system in the truck, this is going to be very helpful. So we're going to keep all the nice quality audio sounds in the vehicle and keep all the road noise out. As I mentioned, they also send us the door rings, so we're going to go ahead and unbox these. We'll put this bad boy, roll it back up. Dude, this thing, seriously, there's other companies out there, and I'm sure, you know, they're great as well, but just the quality of the material that I touch right now, I wish you guys could touch it. It actually feels a lot better than what I've seen other companies do. Obviously the 3 layers, the adhesive, the foil, and the foam, It's great, but I remember putting some audio stuff in my Eclipse, some sound deadening audio stuff in my Eclipse, and it was just really hard to work with. You almost felt like you had to heat it up in order to get the product really nice and flexible. But as you guys can see here, I could actually flex it with no problem because it's foam based, I believe, and it's really easy to work with. So actually, well, at least I think it's really easy to work with. It looks like it, right? So let's go ahead and open up these speaker rings. There's 4. We'll figure out once we get to installing, and I'll do an install video. I'll show you what these are for. But here's your speaker rings. So this will help not only the door sound deadening. It's going to be good because it's going to protect all the audio and the road noise from in and out, or vice versa. But this itself it's going to keep a ring around the speaker. Let's pull it out. Again, it's the same quality material as the other one. I love the branding again. That's pretty cool. Well, not the same material, but it is a foam material with an adhesive. So this will go around your speaker just like this. I mean, depending on, you know, how big your speaker is. It looks like this could almost fit up maybe like an 8-inch speaker. But the Land Cruiser has 6-inch or 6.5 on the door. So just give it a take, maybe something like this. So this will go around the front face of your speaker. So this is your speaker, and so once the door panel goes over this, then there's no sound escaping between the speaker and the door panel. So this gives you full sound going into your cabin. So I'm super excited about this because it will keep all the audio from going out the edges and shooting straight into your cabin. Not only that, but again, remember we have the sound deadening around the area, so all the quality of sound will project directly into your cab. So these things are badass. And like I said, actually there's, I'm assuming 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 1 door, 2 doors, 3 doors, 4 doors, 5 doors, 6 doors. So this is a package, I'm assuming, of 6. So if you guys actually, a package of 6, unless you needed something a little bit bigger, maybe for a sub, and you could kind of put them together. But this is great. And again, the packaging is very simple, very nice. A lot of branding, and then I'm assuming this will probably go in the back of where the speaker goes, so it helps with the sound as well. So that concludes our unboxing of the SoundSkins speaker rings and doormats. They also do provide a lot of other templates already pre-cut for other vehicles. So if you want to get more information regarding this product or any other templates they have available for certain vehicle brands and makes, make sure to go click on the description below, and you can find all the stuff in their website as well. So make sure to go support them. This is not a paid ad, but they did send me this to unbox it and to try it out. So a big shout outs to them, and I appreciate you guys. Make sure to go support them as well on their Instagram and all their handles on the description below. And I appreciate you guys watching. Can't wait to really put this on. It's been a very long time since I've done any kind of audio work or any installations or any audio installations like this. So I'm looking forward to go picking up a set of 4 door speakers, 6.5s, and then putting those on and installing this at the same time to see the difference with OEM speakers and without SoundSkins, and with an upgraded door speaker with the SoundSkin on. So I'm looking forward to that. So again, thank you for watching, and make sure to hit a subscribe and a thumbs up. And if you found this very helpful, make sure to share this out and all my videos as well. Appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next video when we're going to install this.